We've never seen anything like this. Watch the world's biggest paper statue with 9 meters in height getting burned down at the Hungry Ghost Festival in Penang, Malaysia. But how did we get to this local celebration? Let us take you back to where this epic journey began. Situated between Thailand and Indonesia, Penang lies in the northern region of West Malaysia. The city of Georgetown is an island where diverse cultures intersect, creating a unique fusion found nowhere else. From Chinese temples to Hindu shrines, floating mosques to street markets. The island pulses with rich traditions. And with these traditions come the celebrations.
Let's go!
Later that evening, we encountered something unique that would set the stage for our extraordinary discovery the following days. Just outside our hostel, we came across a smaller effigy burning, celebrated by the Chinese community, whose religious practices are rooted in Buddhism and Taoism. It was there that our hostel landlord told us about something even bigger, a massive paper statue burning just days away. We had to find out more to clear our heads and plan how we could experience this massive local ceremony. We took a short hike up the famous Penang Hill. Surrounded by nature, it gave us the space to reflect and build excitement for what was to come.
So yesterday we experienced a lot of local celebrations here in Penang in Georgetown, and it was really amazing to see those different cultures mix in.
And then we talked with the landlord of our hostel, and he told us there will be a bigger celebration in the mainland of Penang. So we are really looking forward to see that.
We didn't do so much research about the thing yet, but what we've seen yesterday sounded really interesting to check that out. And we are very excited to go and see those big paper statue burning.
That evening, we searched for more information, but it wasn't easy, as most of it was in Chinese or Malay. But with the help of artificial intelligence, we discovered that this particular burning paper statue is the largest in the world, and even found the exact location in the district of Bukit Mertajam. With our motorbike rented, we set off on a journey back to the mainland, taking the ferry to the other side. As we arrived at the festival grounds in the early afternoon, there weren't so many people yet, and it was ideal for an exploration. The preparations were in full swing, and some men were preparing a huge sandpit for the big burning later on. Also, the local firefighters were preparing themselves for the event. And there it was, built by local artisans, only using bamboo and colorful paper. It is a piece of art.
Yeah, they are throwing the paper where the big statue will be burned later.
During the festival, locals burn hell money, a symbolic currency to ensure that their ancestors and wandering spirits have everything they need in the afterlife, bringing peace to both worlds. The Hungry Ghost Festival, rooted in Taoist beliefs, marks the time when spirits are released from the underworld, wandering in search of offerings. Also for Buddhists, it's about honoring ancestors and easing their suffering through prayers and food. In the past, people didn't go out at night to avoid these spirits. Today, it's one of Penang's liveliest celebrations, where appeasing the wandering souls is believed to bring good fortune. Throughout the streets, Chinese opera performances and musical concerts light up the night. more and more people were getting ready for the big burning, and the atmosphere was filled with excitement.
They're gonna get the huge statue over there out, and then they're gonna burn it. Before we explore the final chapter of our journey, we'd like to thank Artlist for the amazing soundtracks and sound effects that enhance our creations.
If you want to elevate your videos, get 2 free months through the link in the description. In just 5 minutes, they pulled this massive structure into the sandpit, and the whole place was alive with energy. This was it, the moment we all had been waiting for. What an honor to be able to witness this unique event. Subscribe and come on this adventure with us.